So we mix king kang, so 30 gram. Yes, 30 gram. We mix it also, okay? And then this king kang also, but man. You say it is female, yeah? Man.
This one is female and this one is male.
This male. King kang also.
Can you understand the difference between? Can you explain the difference between male and female?
The male, so this male, you see the pearl, the blonde one, and then so female, the red color.
Oh.
They're different. Yeah. So we mix on. And this cumin, we like ginger also, but it's not for cooking. Just this for skin, for I don't know, for when you skin, so not so good skin, yeah. When you look at old skin.
Dry skin.
Yeah, dry skin. It's for dry skin and for heart, for river, for river. And for when you get guts, a lot of guts inside. This
Good one.
also, yeah. And then this ginger also, but the name Ka. We took 10 gram. This also. The ginger family also, but the name Ka different, same but different. This 10 gram we mix. The Ka make you blood and heart help you about use bleach. When you know the bleach, yeah, when you can bleach. Ooh, too strong. Pressure. This BEN. So, yeah, BEN. So take like a paracetamol, the read something. This hope about heart and bloods. Wake up you when you something your body no work. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can get baby or something. You wanna work, but your body no wake up. This will make your body wake up like after.
Okay,
So,
that's the one, say.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's good one. This tastes very tasty.
Yeah, everyone is looking for it.
Yeah. Everyone looking for
Every
this.
mouth looking for it.
Yeah, Mahmoud also. Mahmoud they come to try, want to add this also. And this Ponmen.
Pungmen.
Yeah, tasty also.
Tasty.
We take Ponmen, so we take only root.
Roots.
Yeah, root.
Mhm.
For backpack,
Mhm.
for I don't know English.
Kidney.
Kidney, yeah, for cleaning kidney, for cleaning about blonde bloods. Blonde bloods, that's no good.
Brown blood.
Yeah, brown
Blood.
bloods, but brown color.
Brown
That's
blood.
no good.
Okay.
So this go to cleaning,
Okay.
yeah, and make you
Happy.
happy. And yeah, that's
It's a wake up body.
Yeah, wake up body.
Okay, but
So this one Thai when you get gas, this one Thai. When you get a lot of gas inside, oh, you cannot be shit. Sorry, you cannot poo. You know, so you use it for stomach.
okay.
This one for stomach. One Thai, 10 gram. Mix together. And this Kamin Leung.
Kamin
Kamin Leung.
Leung, it's yellow.
Yeah, Leung is
And
yellow.
Kamin, it's ginger.
Kamin is ginger.
Okay, so
Yeah.
yellow ginger.
Yeah, yellow ginger.
It's like
This same work same
curcumin.
like work same like
yeah, it's curcumin.
one Thai. Yeah, work same. This one family. Same but different. Yeah.
The roots
This
as well.
root, yeah.
Roots.
This only root. Everything only root. And then Kasampik, you know already, yeah? Kasampik, we no need roots, only leaf.
Leaves.
Leaf, yeah. Kasampik. So, now we finish work. And then sticky light. No sticky light, this stem light. We use one ball like this. So we use like
10.
10 gram. 10 gram. But we take only water.
Ah, you,
Water.
you put the rice into the bowl
The ball.
with the water during
Yeah.
24 hours.
24 hours. We leave with the water 24 hours. This is steam light. So steam light working, you know, the
Muscles.
muscle, yeah, muscle,
Mhm.
like muscle. You must be strong. This steam light. Yeah, but we use water from.
We use the water after 24 hours.
Yeah, 24 hours. So
So it's
You
you
come
get
to
the water, white
mix
water,
with, yeah, and mix with
sugar cane.
sugar cane, red sugar cane, and mix with red sugar cane. Probably we need the 1 liter, and boil after boil we need only 100 gram about sugar cane and water from steam light, and then egg. An egg after then
What egg?
Which eggs?
the black chicken egg, and then dark egg, but quite dark. We take not only the orange, we don't take oil.
The yellow.
The yellow, oh yeah, yellow, sorry.
The yellow from the egg.
Yeah, from the egg, but no oil. And mix together. Very nice taste.
Perfect.
Yes, perfect. First, we have to, the big one.
Big one is.
Yeah. You have to mix. See,
Yeah, beautiful color. Yeah.
yes, see, color.
Can I put it to the camera? No.
Just mix already. So we make first. Yeah. We make first. And then, when you mix everything already, so after, sorry. And then after, this first, before you put this, you have to make this a lot for me to be together. Very strong. So I need this. Also, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you stop that for me?
And we can. It's okay?
Yeah, I need.